ABC.
Well,
Look at it. I made a surprise for you.
This is a surprise.
Yeah.
How surprise? Huh?
Here. Surprise. And then mommy, daddy, and me. Okay?
Yup. And where's Pipa?
Here, don't bomb. Don't bomb here. Here.
Tanka, what's this one? What's it this one? Star. And what color is it?
Mommy, why you do my bucket?
Okay, sorry, baby. Can I fix it for you?
I fix it for you.
Oop.
That's right.
Yes. You need my help. I can help, baby.
I cannot help you.
And what are you doing?
That's sorry, Mommy. Come on. What next?
What next? What do you want to do next? Here.
Here.
What's that, the letter? It's K, orange K.
Orange.
And how about if I turn here? What color is it? Here? Here?
Green.
Green is very good.
And how about this?
And how about that? What that's the letter?
A, B, C. Rabbit.
R.
Rabbit.
Oh, yes. Good.
I like.
What color? What color is it? This is yellow.
Yeah.
And what color is it here? Here.
Blue.
This is a blue.
Blue.
Sure. What color is it? Here.
Green.
This one is green. No. I guess it's red.
Red.
Yeah, red. Green. And how about this?
I love rabbit.
Yeah, you love rabbit.
Daddy,
Rabbit start with R, right?
Yeah.
Cat.
Daddy like elephant.
Oh, elephant is a E. E for elephant.
Daddy like elephant. I like rabbit. Okay.
Okay. And how about mommy?
Yeah. Look.
K for
K for
key. Kangaroo.
for mommy.
Kangaroo for mommy. Okay. How about Pipam?
Here. Don't mommy.
It's a monkey, right?
Yeah.
It's M for monkey. And don't what this is color?
Purple.
Purple. And how about this?
Green.
Yes, very good. Ow.